Good day, everybody. Mike Flores here, your favorite Las Cruces Realtor and new home expert. Thank you so much for joining me today. Today I have a beautiful home to show you. 1,832 square feet, 3-bed, 2-bath, and a 3-car tandem garage. We are located in Metro Verde, very close to Red Hawk Estates. I can't wait to get started. Take a look at this. Starting off with the outside look, very Tuscan outside, almost kind of a farmhouse. You got some wood accents, you got rock stacked all the way across the bottom of this home. This home does have a full pitched roof. They refer to these as shingles. And I love the synthetic stucco. You have two different brown tones, a really dark and then a really light, and I really love that, and it really makes this pop very, very beautifully. Got easy maintenance landscaping, everything on a drip system. I would say probably about 10 bushes, a couple trees. This is a very, very nice home. This one's just under 400,000 folks, and right now they are running some incredible incentives. Look at these coach lights. Super nice farmhouse style coach lights. One of the many things I love about French Brothers homes is they always paint their doors a different color. They're not just always brown or light tan. They're either maroon, I've seen green, I've seen blue, I've seen mint. All of them look very, very nice. Walk into this home. Now 1,832 square feet, folks. I want you to think this while I'm walking through this home. You have a really nice foyer space, and I love how it sits this way. And it really sets off the guest space. Is really nice. You have 2 bedrooms and a bathroom. Let's start in here. Definitely a 2x6 build. You can see the window sill there. This home is Energy Star rated. It's 100% electric. So there is no gas in this home for those of you that are sensitive with your breathing. This is really nice. Look at this monochromatic look. And this is something that I'm seeing a lot of lately. You know, the finish does look different if you look at these two, but it's actually the same paint. The difference is the texture takes the paint finish different than the wood does. It makes it look almost like a different type of color, but it's actually the same exact paint. I love the way it looks. You have very heavy textured walls, rounded corners. You have squared soffits up here. Bathroom number 1. Quartz countertops, undermounted rectangular sink, very dark faucets. I love this dark faucet, like a black color. And they match actually. Now we're really early folks, they're gonna miss stuff like this sometimes. Or they have to replace them or whatever have you, but I love the match. You have the dark schlootering to match that as well. And then into the shower, you have the dark faucets and controls. And really nice towel work with that deco bead, that vertical deco bead going all the way up. And of course a night light for your nighttime showering. Bedroom number 2, plug-ins all the way around on this one as well. 2x6 ledging, very nice. Low E windows with the vinyl framing. Let's take a look at this closet. Now, the next tour I'm gonna do, I'm gonna bring a measuring tape. I had a really amazing suggestion from the audience to bring a measuring tape and to actually measure the garages as I'm walking through. I think that's brilliant. I'm gonna start doing that. Maybe not on this one, but on the next one. Look at this foyer space. It's like you have 3 separate foyers. You have a very clean, wide foyer here, and then you go into this space, you have a clean tray ceiling with 2 recessed lights, nice and wide if you have all that artwork or family memorabilia. You also have another one this way, and what I like is it separates yet another part of this home, and it, again, 1,832 square feet. Really nice laundry room, ready for electric, of course. You got some nice cubbies over here. This is really useful. Heating and cooling vent, extractor vent fan. And I think this goes to the garage. Look at this, folks. If you've never seen a tandem garage, this is a perfect example of what they look like. Now, because this is a pitched roof, it does have a manhole to get to the attic space. It's not really enough to like put a pool table up there, but it's enough to actually put some storage up there, maybe some light boxes, but not too much because it's not really made for that. But this is really, really good size. Look at this. Projects, motorcycles, extra cars, I mean, you name it. You could even make this into a more of a heated space if you wanted to spend time in here even in the winters and stuff. Very beautifully done. Drip system control, this controls that, and it's tieable to the back when you get the back done as well. Electric water heater. You actually have two different water pre-loops here. One of them is probably for your RO and the other one will probably be for a soft water system or some type of filtration system. The flooring I'm liking, it's 3 foot, I want to say 3 foot by maybe 6 inches in planks, and they laid them in a staggered. You can see that really beautiful pattern. And then you walk into this. Look at this. This is beautiful. Now remember, we just went through 2 bedrooms, laundry room, garage space, 3 different foyers and a bathroom before even getting to this space. Massive island, 2 pendant lights, white painted shaker style cabinetry at staggered heights, cafe stainless steel appliances. I love this quartz. That quartz just really sets it off. It's just super clean. You got this deco backsplash here with the dark schluttering. Big farm sink without the apron, and it does come with the grates. And if you're wondering what a grate is, look at this. These are almost a must in any stainless steel sink. And this one actually includes it, and it's a Delta sink too. Floating garbage disposal switch, a really nice industrial look for the faucet here. Lots of cabinetry, stainless steel appliances all the way around. This is where your refrigerator would be. And then a really nice walk-in pantry. I'm noticing they put their low voltage up here too. So if you want to put like your security system in here, if you want to put your internet router in here, this is a really good place to do it because it's kind of a central place of the home. Huge great room, large recessed. I would say that's about a 12-inch, I want to say that's a 10-foot ceiling. Yeah, probably a 10-foot tray, 4 lights. You got this fan right here, 3 windows, and all 3 operate, and then you have this giant glass door here. We're gonna go out there in a minute, folks, and show you how big that land really is. And if you want a pool, if you're looking for projects or just actual space, this is a phenomenal yard. Beautiful rock walls. We get asked about that all the time. Mike, do you do rock walls on every home? So far, new construction, I have not seen anything else but rock walls in Las Cruces. Oh, this is cool. Look at this vaulted ceiling. That's really awesome. So this is the master suite. You got 2 windows operating, and you can actually see the 2x6 ledging here. I love that. Just a different kind of a look. I love that vault. That just looks really awesome. And you can put a humongous TV right there too, or like some kind of a projector. That would be legit. Master bath. Got a big soaker tub. Walk-in shower, matching deco all the way through. This one's a horizontal, this one's gonna be your vertical. Has a wet nicho in there. Nice bench, dark schluttering. Give you a size reference. This is definitely plenty of space. You got a really nice wide bench here. I can get used to this. Got 2 undermounted sinks here. Hexagon deco riser all the way across with that dark schluttering. Really nice clean mirror and 2 sconces. I love it, and then the same cabinetry we saw from the rest of the home. This is beautiful. Nice reading room, extractor vent fan, and a heating and cooling fan, of course. And then master closet. I've seen homes in the 2,000, 2,100 square foot that don't have this type of design capacity. And I mean, you have to remind yourself this is a much smaller home. It's not one of your giant houses that you see out there, but it sure does feel like one. Look at this. I mean, just look at the space. 8-foot door in the back here. Let's go out here and take a peek at this. The single panel will fold into this one. These 2 windows, of course, mirror windows or doors are stationary. It does have the screen. And I would wager this is about a 10-foot, 12-foot wide patio, maybe by 8 foot out. Enough space for a little bit of furniture and maybe a grill. But man, let me tell you, pergolas. So for any projects out here, one of the main things is gonna have to get access to the backyard, and having a space like this to get into the backyard is gonna be extraordinarily useful. I also noticed their water line is actually ready, or it actually runs under the foundation, and this is actually gonna be for your drip system. That's really brilliant. Almost like a pre-plumbing for the drip out here. I love the tan and the dark browns. That contrast is real beautiful. And folks, you're a walk away from like a restaurant, from a golf course, places to go, trails everywhere. If you like side-by-sides, this is a really beautiful place. And no HOA. Well, folks, I think I'll end the video in this lovely kitchen. Thanking each and every one of you, as always, for joining me on these tours, and I look forward to seeing you on the next one. Thanks a lot.